Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the refund token. Ticker symbol is RFT. This token is trending #1 right now on Pink Sale. Now this is not the original refund coin. Now the refund coin did amazing. And whenever a token does amazing, then there's knockoffs that come out afterwards. But this token is doing well. We're going to go over the information on it. It's trending #1 right now on Pink Sale. They sold an insane amount of tokens. If you want to see the original refund coin video, I will link it at the end of this video. It'll pop up on the screen here. You'll be able to click on that and go check that token out, because that one did amazing. Obviously, it was listed on a ton of central exchanges. And then now we have one following in its footsteps here, which is doing very well. You know, there's always knockoffs. Just look at Baby Doge. I mean, just look at Shiba Inu's, a knockoff of Doge, right? So that's how the crypto meme game works. There's famous tokens, and then let's just look at Bitcoin Cash. Anyways, we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get this token and the information on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So refund token, all one word, is the name of this token. So don't get it confused with the refund coin. This one is token. Big difference. And then ticker symbol is RFT. So it says RFT was launched by Hayato, a top whale in the Binance Smart Chain. He loves meme coins and became rich by investing in meme coins. Well, that's great for him. I wish we could have all this luck. Right now, I'm trying to sign up my daughter for all sorts of summer camps, and those are expensive, and I don't even have money for that. So support on Patreon, hit that join button, and hit the super thanks button if you can, because meme coins aren't cutting it for me. All right, I have not become a whale from Binance Smart Chain tokens, unfortunately. That would be nice. 100 trillion total supply of this token. There's 9 decimal places on this token. They do have a full audit. So they were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pink Sale here. Now they have, so far they've had 200 contributors. Like I said earlier, they are trending #1 still right now. The pre-sale is almost over. They're in the last 20 minutes. So unfortunately, if you did not get involved with this pre-sale, you'll have to get the token after the pre-sale is over. So how you would do that is, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. Basically, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the refund token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is RefundToken.pro. You may have to set, actually it says 0% tax, so you probably will not have to change slippage. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. So that's a decent amount of time there. And if you want to know exactly when the pool is filled on PancakeSwap, I would follow their socials. So their Twitter is at RefundToken21. And then they have a Telegram at RFT Portal. So I would follow those two, and they'll tell you exactly when the pool is going to be filled on PancakeSwap. Now, initial market cap estimate for this project right now is $192,700. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, 61% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 29.5% of the tokens go to liquidity, 9.4% of the tokens go to central exchange listings. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, it says they do have a full white paper on here. If you click on that, it'll take you over to a 4-page white paper. It says, welcome to the refund token. RFT was launched by the top whale. So it says 0% tax, contract renounced. RFT is just a meme. We do not have a roadmap. It says we take blockchain very seriously, but the RFT token and its associated project are intended for educational, entertainment, and experimental purposes only. The information provided in content, communications, and any other financial so it's a big disclaimer saying, hey, it's high risk, and basically meme coins have zero value and yada yada yada. So be aware of that giant disclaimer there. Now, if you go to their webpage, they also have a DEX tools chart here. Let's check this out here. They have a link to PancakeSwap on their page, Telegram, Twitter. Looks like CoinMarketCap, but it doesn't. I don't think they're going to be on CoinMarketCap yet. No, they're not on CoinMarketCap yet. They have a 1 out of 99 DEX scores. That is a terrible score. And it says RFT contract verification hasn't been detected. So I assume that's because they're in the middle of their pre-sale right now. So I would wait, obviously, until the pre-sale is over to check out their DEX tools chart, because right now it's just says it's not verified yet. So yeah, that would make sense. But yeah, other than that, they have zero information on their DEX tools chart right now because they're still in pre-sale. Now, their white paper has hardly any information on it at all, besides a giant disclaimer and just that sentence about, the whale creating it. Now, if you want to learn how to buy this token specifically off PancakeSwap, you didn't understand what I said about PancakeSwap, they do have a very good step-by-step guide how to buy refund token. Create the wallet, grab some BNB, go to PancakeSwap, swap BNB for RFT, but it has more details, thorough details on how to do that on their webpage. Now, if you want to reach out to the refund people, they have a email, business@refundtoken.pro you could check out. But this token has hardly any information on it at all. It is very much just a knockoff token of the other refund coin, but it's doing very well. I mean, they sold 436.09 BNB worth of tokens. Still 17 minutes left to go, and they're trending #1 right now. So go check this token out. It'll be on PancakeSwap shortly. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.